Hello, welcome to UAH in the College of Engineering. My name is Jennifer English and I serve as the Associate Dean of Engineering for undergraduate programs. I will be narrating the College of Engineering Admitted Student video series. This first video is called Engineering, a Snapshot of Year 1. In this video, I will present some general information about your first year as an engineering student at UAH, from how to be a successful student to the first year curriculum. Let's start with some introductions. Dr. Shankar Mahalingam is the Dean of Engineering and also a professor of mechanical and aerospace engineering. I've already introduced myself, but besides being Associate Dean, I'm also a professor in the Electrical and Computer Engineering department. But perhaps the most important people that I want you to get to know over the next 4 years are in the Center for Undergraduate Engineering Education, or CUE, and those are your academic advisors, Ms. Barbie Garner, Mr. Jacob Kirsteins, and Ms. Kimmy Fletcher. The advisors are here to help you with your academic plan, identify support resources, and encourage your success. One of the most common questions I get from students and families alike is how to have a successful and positive first year at UAH. The answer is simple, and it boils down to 3 words: go, ask, and join. Pretty simple, right? So the first word is go, as in go to class. There is a right way to go to class, and there is a wrong way to go to class. So don't just attend class, be present, take notes, and ask questions. We know that students who regularly attend class do better than students who don't. So the second word is ask, as in ask for help. We know that most of you have not had to spend lots of time studying in high school, much less ask a teacher for help with a difficult concept. But it's probably going to happen during your first year, and you have not had a lot of practice reaching out for help. For many of you, asking for help might seem like a sign of failure. Let me reassure you, it's not. But it's up to you to ask for help. And it's important to get help early. I tell students I can do a lot to help you at week 3, but at week 12, there may not be enough time left in the term to right the ship. There is all kinds of help on this campus too. The Student Success Center has the most comprehensive set of academic resources. You can start there, but I recommend that you start with your instructors. Faculty are actually very pleasant people, regardless of what you hear on Rate My Professors. Oftentimes, students think this is how we feel when you come to our office hours. But actually, this is how we feel. Remember that faculty and instructors are invested in your success, so reach out to them when you need help. If you need help, check with the Student Success Center in the UAH library. They have resources including tutoring, even online tutoring, PASS, peer-assisted study sessions, and academic coaching. Then there are the writing, math, and physics centers. And don't forget the office hours of your instructors and teaching assistants. If you aren't sure what kind of help you need, make an appointment to see one of the engineering advisors. They are especially good at figuring out what resources you need. The last word is join, as in join something. We encourage students to join a campus organization. It doesn't have to be the dark side, but we know that students that are engaged on campus do better. There are so many clubs and organizations on this campus, including engineering and competition teams, religious groups, fraternities and sororities, volunteer and service groups, intramurals. The list is endless. Joining something is a great way to make friends and meet new people and learn new skills. If you can't find a club on this campus that meets your needs, you should think about starting one because there's probably other students just like you. So let's talk about the engineering curriculum. The College of Engineering offers 8 engineering programs ranging from 124 to 130 credit hours. We have aerospace, chemical, civil, computer, cybersecurity, electrical, industrial and systems, and mechanical engineering programs. If you take 15 to 18 hours per semester, you will finish in 8 semesters or 4 years. We call the first year of the engineering curriculum Base Camp. It's where everyone starts their journey. Typically, students will take a math course both fall and spring semesters. They will also take a science course both fall and spring semesters. We have 2 common engineering classes which students will take in the fall and spring. And then most students will take college writing and will take humanities or social science courses that are a part of the general education requirements we call Charter Foundations. Some students may take a second science course in the spring semester. To learn more about the specifics of these courses and how students are placed in these courses, we encourage you to see the other videos in the Admitted Student video series for guidance. In Engineering Base Camp, students take 2 common engineering courses. ENG 101, Introduction to Computing for Engineers, where we introduce students to the fundamental principles of programming for solving engineering problems. We use MATLAB, Python, and Microsoft Excel. In the spring, we teach FYE 101, Charter Success for Engineers. This class, we introduce students to UAH, the College of Engineering, engineering fields and majors, the career development process, experiential learning options, and the engineering design process. Have you registered for orientation? We hope so. But if you haven't, go to this link, uah.edu/eng/admitted. At the top of this page, there will be a button that will allow you to sign up for orientation. Once you sign up for orientation, you will get your schedule and be able to register for classes. While you're on the Admitted Students webpage, check out all the other things there. There are other Admitted Student videos in the series, guides, demos, and other help for registering and using my.uah.edu. You can sign up for virtual academic advising sessions using the Zoom platform. You can learn Python and MATLAB. You might even get course credit. You can learn about engineering student organizations. But most of all, you can start to develop strategies to transition from successful high school student to successful engineering student. We also encourage you to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. On Instagram, we will start our 100 Days Charging into Year 1 special on May the 11th. Join us there and learn more about campus, the college, the faculty, the students, and all the opportunities UAH has to offer.